What is going on out there, peeps? Man, I don't mean to pat myself on the back, but I'm breaking my arm patting myself on the back. Yeah, that's right. You're going to see why. Now, this is not bad for a so called amateur to go ahead and make some suggestions and see how they do. Now, it's funny. I'm going to show you some things, and I'm going to first tell you and share with you a quick story. So, when I first started doing stock watch videos, this guy kept hitting me up, telling me, hey, look, you don't know what you're talking about, blah, 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 blah. And that, you forget to make, there's certain terminologies that stock professionals use. He's like, you got to take this in consideration. You got to take that into consideration. And I said, dude, these are just stocks that I made a suggestion that people keep an eye on. If they want to invest in them, that's on there. It's up to you whether or not you want to invest in it. He's like, yeah, but see, it's not that easy. Not everybody could do this. I go, I understand that. But it's just my opinion, and it's just a suggestion. Nobody said you had to act on it. A couple more after that, then the stock started going up. He's like, look, I know you're thinking, oh, you're kicking butt. And I go, well, yeah, I am kicking butt. And this is like a couple weeks after I first started doing it. And he said, no, it's not that easy. There's other things to take involved. I said, dude, what are you complaining about, man? If you don't like what I'm saying in my videos, then don't watch them. Last week he hit me up, he said, let me take back everything I've ever said to you. I don't know what you're doing, but you have been on one hell of a lucky streak to the point that even now I've invested into some of these stocks. Well, if he thinks last week was good, wait till you see today. Now, on Friday, we left off on a good foot. A good foot. Sorry, couldn't resist. Anyways, over the weekend, everything started contracting, and there were some pretty good dips. They dropped. I tell you guys, don't panic, especially when the cryptocurrency, everybody's like, Pimpy, the money's going down. I'm like, oh, you buy on a dip, man. You never have a loss. No matter whether there's stock, real estate, gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, you never get a loss until you sell the product, okay? So, had you not panicked and you made it through to the other side, look what I'm about to show you. And yeah, that's right. I could pat myself on the back with both hands. All right. There's a couple of things I want to get into real quick. I started to do it not that long ago. I started another group for on Facebook. I have another group called The Hidden Things in Front of Your Eyes. I started to do back in February, as you can see, and March. I started to do a couple of videos. I really just kind of neglected it. There is another YouTube channel. So I'm going to start posting videos in there. This has nothing to do with finances. This is politically driven. It also deals with, conspiracies and stuff like that. So for those of you who like it, you can go ahead and go now over and subscribe if you want to ahead of time before I start posting videos. They should start going up this week. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. I will leave a link in the description to this YouTube channel. So again, I have The Hidden Things in Front of Your Eyes. I also have a Facebook group with the same name. So come over and join us. Now, I'm going to be making this announcement on, a lot of videos just until I make sure that everybody has the word. So for those of you who want to check out some cool things, come over here to The Hidden Things in Front of Your Eyes. I'm going to start posting videos in there. But I already got 2 up if you just want to get a kick out of them anyways. All right, so 60 subscribers. You guys, I know you've been patiently waiting. I have been neglecting it. I've been doing a lot of research. But I'm also going to start posting in here because there is a lot to talk about. Speaking of, I do have a Facebook group of the same name as a YouTube channel, just like I just explained about The Hidden Things in Front of Your Eyes. There is a link for this particular Facebook group as well as the one I just told you about called The Hidden Things in Front of Your Eyes. All right, so if you're into conspiracy things, if you're into, 9/11, things like that, a little politically driven, then come join us over here. It's free to do so. All right, so now, let's show off. I'm going to show you something. Before I show you where we were at 30% gain. I did 30% gain. That's pretty dang good since April 21st. If you put $10,000 in every one of these, there's $180 or $180,000. Of course, it's just a hypothetical. All right. I know some of you dumped some serious money into the couple of these and you're smiling. Well, if you were smiling before, you're really going to be smiling now. So just go over these real quick. Here's Discovery Metals. Back when I first talked about it on April 21st, it was 31 cents. Look at this. It's more than doubled. It's now 63, almost 64 cents. Endeavor Silver was $1.45. It's now at $2.10. Alexco, $1.48. It's up a whole buck to $2.48. Majestic, $7.53. It's now $10.73. That's pretty good. Mag Silver, look at this, $9.87. It's now at $13.64. I'm going to show you the differences here in a minute, but first let me go over these. Silvercrest, $6.41. It is now at $9.56. MGM Resort, all right, $13.19. It's now at $17.80. WTI was $1 when we first were talking about it, but I said, hey, on April 21st is when we marked all these ones. It was $2.11. It's now at $2.85. Wynn Resorts, I told you guys about these Vegas ones. I wasn't lying. As they get ready to open up, these stocks are starting to run. I told you they would. Wynn Resorts, $70.40. It's now $86.47. So you can see over here what's going on. This is post having cryptocurrency run. Not to mention with all the crashing of the economy, plus all the riots going on, people are moving over to cryptocurrencies and gold and silver. All right, you guys, that's a big one. Look at where Bitcoin is now. Good Lord. When I first was talking about XRP was at 18 cents. It's now at, well, let's look at the current price, 21.05. So it's 21 cents 05. Okay? XLM, when I first was talking about it, let's take a peeky poo at it. Where you at, XLM? Oh, okay. My bad. So XLM, when we first were talking about it, was 5 cents. XLM right now is 7 cents and a half. All right. Ethereum was 173.41. Did I not tell you this little booger is going to run 247.12 over there? That's a huge jump. All right. Look at this. USAA Precious Metals, 1706 is now 1990. Look at Bitcoin. When I first told you about it, $6,880.32. It's now 10,000. Let's put the 10,168.41. That's not too shabby. Now, for those of you who don't know about this, I said this before in other videos, but for you newbies, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you don't need the $10,168 to invest in it. You could buy fractions. In other words, if you can only afford $20 worth of Bitcoin, then go on there and buy $20 of Bitcoin. It will go up as the Bitcoin goes up. All right. For those of you who are interested in buying cryptocurrencies, there's a link I leave in my description. Just click it and follow it. You'll get $10 just for joining. In addition to that, after you've been in there for a little bit, well, I mean, like a week or so, you can just scroll down where it says earn cryptos. You can earn free cryptocurrencies up to $150 worth. It's real simple to do. It's free cryptocurrencies. Here we go. Look at this Drexion, man, one of my favorites. 63.70 is now 105.59 at the close of today. Las Vegas Sands, $40.72 in the beginning. That's going up 49.03. Melco Resorts, another one of those Vegas ones, 13.80 is now 16.49. So what does this mean? I told you the last time we left on Friday and I did this video, I showed you that since April 31st, we had a 30% gain in our investments. So where are we today? Had we pushed 10,000 each one of these, where is our profits? Well, looky here. 40%. It jumped up a whole 10 cents Friday, or 10% Friday to today. Look at this. Look at this. Discovery Metal just keeps climbing, man. $10,425. Do you realize you would have more than doubled your money had you put $10,000 into it back on April 21st when I told you? You would have doubled your money in just 6 weeks, not even 6 weeks, 5 weeks. Is that right? 6 weeks. 6 weeks you would have doubled your money. Where else can you go and have that happen? All right. Look at this. Endeavor's up $4,482. Alexco, look at these. I told you guys these silver and gold miners are going to start running. They are running. Look at this. $6,756. First Majestic, it's up $4,249 since April 21st. Mag Silver, $3,819. Look at this. Silvercrest is up $4,914. The MGM, didn't I tell you about the Vegas ones? I told you they were performing. They had a 1 year average, and it was less than 50% of that. Once Vegas opens up, these are going to run. MGM is now up $3,495. WTI, that's the oil. Look at this. It's affordable still. It's up $3,507. The Wynn Resort is now up $2,282. XRP is up $1,390. Pretty good. XLM, man, I told you the XLM, because of the Acon coin, that sucker is running. You can still buy it for 7.5 cents right now, but back then it was 5 cents. Had you dumped in there $10,000, guess what? You would have a $4,642 gain. All right, Ethereum, look at this. Ethereum is up $4,254. USA Precious Metals is up $1,664. Bitcoin is now up $4,778. Perth is my baby one, but we're still gaining $326. Drexion is up $6,576. It's almost at the point where it's doubling, just like above with Discovery Metals. Las Vegas Sand is up $2,040. Melco Resorts is up $1,949. If you would have invested $10,000 in each one of these on a $180,000 investment, you would be up $71,556 before taxes, you guys. But taxes and fees. But even so, a 40% gain, that's not too shabby, man, if you ask me. All right, you guys? That's just kicking tuchus, all right? That's what we are doing. Tuchus kicking. So look, I told you guys about this. They're going to start making a run. This is what happens post-halving when it comes to Bitcoin. Usually there's a run before, but the biggest runs are after, and it's happened every single time. There's a video I did on it. You need to go back and look at the stock watches and the crypto ones that I've done so you can learn about this. So if you look at the 52-week average, this is the lowest part, and in 52 weeks, this was the lowest value. This was the highest value. Look where they are running right now. So it looks like Bitcoin is definitely higher than 50% mark for the 52-week average. Even Ethereum is up there as well. As a matter of fact, Ethereum is quickly catching as far as percentage increases. Bitcoin, I told you it's going to outperform Bitcoin. XRP still dragging its butt, but it's still up there pretty good. It's not even, what is it, about 1/4 of the way? And XLM, wow, XLM was down here, but it's starting to make a run. So its low was 3 cents and its high was 14 cents. You know what I mean? So according to this, we should almost still double. All right, you guys? Anyways, I just wanted to share this with you. It's looking really good. I knew that we were going to have a good closing today, but I did not expect to see this until I started running my numbers. Holy smokes, man. $180,000 investment with a $70,000 return in just 6 weeks. Now you know why I'm patting myself on the back so hard. So a couple quick reminders. Once again, you guys, if you guys want to buy cryptocurrencies, I leave a link in the description. It's real easy to sign up, okay? And one last reminder, look, you guys, I'm getting ready to start posting videos again in the hidden things in front of your eyes. So if you're into that kind of stuff, go ahead and start subscribing now, and I'll start posting videos. I will leave a link to this YouTube channel in my description. I would love to have you there. Come join me there as well. All right, you guys? All right, I'm going to sign off for now. I'm feeling pretty good. And I love when I hear from you guys that, you know, some of you just went ahead and took a gamble and invested in some of the things I talked about. Again, it's only my opinion, but, you know, and it's not my place to tell you. But I do like the good news. I like to know that people are being able to benefit from things that I suggest. All right, you guys. Also, I wanted to bring up one last thing, and that is silver is starting to run. Our silver is been running. Look at this. It's up almost to $19. This is, I told you guys, I cannot stress this enough. There is a video that I'm going to do solely and strictly about silver. It's a must hear. You guys, if you're not jumping onto silver, you are missing out in a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I cannot stress this enough. Gold and silver usually preserves your wealth, but there's a once in a lifetime opportunity in which you can invest in gold and silver and actually make a lot of money off of it. That time is now. All right? All right, you guys. I'll catch you later. Bye.